Hello mga kababayan, kamusta na kayo dyan? Today, my video is about our healthy diet fruits. So if you can see, there's apple here, and then strawberry, and then orange, and then this is a cucumber. So we know that apple has a lot of benefits. It burns belly and arm fat, and so many benefits of eating apple. And then the strawberry is also a lot of vitamins. Oranges is also has a lot of vitamins, and cucumber. So today I will tell to you about the benefits of all these fruits. The benefits of eating apple are if you have a lower risk of diabetes, like major diseases including diabetes and cancer, this food is good for you. Apples are incredibly good for us, and eating them, and also it also weight loss and gut health. A medium apple equals 1.5 cups of fruit, which is 3.4 of the 2-cup daily recommendation for fruit. What does apple fruit do to the body? So apples can slow the growth of cancer cells. They can protect the cells in your pancreas, which can lower your chances of type 2 diabetes. Next, the strawberry. Strawberry has a lot of benefits too. Eating strawberries can help you lower your blood sugar, and they have an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese. And also, strawberry are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds, which may have benefits for heart health and blood sugar control. Last one is the orange. The orange is the fruit of bio-citrus, protects your cells from damage, helps your body make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and giving you a smoother skin. Orange is also boosts your immune systems, and your body defends against germs, and it also makes easier to absorb to fight anemia. So last one is cucumber. So cucumber, if you know, cucumbers are fruit. They contain tiny seeds in the middle and grow from the flower of the cucumber plant. So hindi siya gulay, siya ay prutas. And then the benefits of eating cucumber as a lot. It's high in nutrients and low in calories, but high in many important vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidants. It promotes hydration. It may aid in weight loss. It may lower blood sugar. It could promote regularity. Easy to add to your diet. So this one, ang kinakain ko ang mga to kasi when I got my blood test, or when I got my blood test, mataas daw yung aking mataas daw yung aking blood sugar. And then I asked to my nurse or to my doctor that I have fruits which I already eating, like for example this one, the cucumber, and then yan yung apple, and then strawberry. Nakakababayan ng mga blood sugar. So kaya healthy diet ngayon yung kinakain ko ngayon, dahil nga after kong magkaroon ng COVID, yung sarili ko ay inoobserbahan ko rin because when you got COVID and then you tested negative na already, you need to observe yourself too. So, yan yung mga food na mga fruits na kinakain ko ngayon because when I got my blood test, I just tell you about that because I want you to be aware having COVID is not really a joke. So after kong karoon ng COVID, even we are negative, so you need to protect yourself sa mga virus na yan. Kaya kailangan kahit na may resulta na yung mga blood test mo, negative ka na, kailangan alagaan mo pa rin yung sarili mo. Like for example, yung benefits ng eating fruits ay nakakatulong talaga sa atin. Like ako, meron din akong mga blood test na kailangan kong pigilan kumain ng rice kasi tayong mga Pinoy talaga matako sa rice eh. Kasi tuwing umaga kasi kumakain na agad ako ng rice, tapos may kasama pa yung mga ulam, alam niyo na, matako tayo. Pero kailangan ay obserbahan din ninyo yung mga kinakain ninyo na dapat ay hindi makakataas ng inyong mga blood sugar. Kaya yung aking video na ito ay share ko sa inyo kasi in my own experience, I really like to eat fruits, but vegetables, hindi talaga ako masyadong makain ng vegetables. But now, syempre, pag nagkakaroon ka ng edad na, minsan I'm 48 years old, so sinabi ko sa inyo edad ko, and then hindi na rin naman ako bumabata, di ba? So marami rin tayong mga risks na pwede nating makontrol yung mga risk na yun. Dapat sa health natin, alagaan natin yung sarili natin at yung chance na ikaw, like for example, I have my blood test, I have my a little bit high cholesterol and then a little bit high blood sugar, yung sa pagkain ng matatamis. So I'm not eating sweet stuff, you know, but syempre kapag kasi nagkaroon ka na nga ng COVID, hindi mo alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa immune system mo, yung sa katawan mo. Kaya kailangan talaga na maging maingat tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya nga ako, medyo sumasakit din yung ulo ko, lalo na yung nakaka-stress, di ba? Ng mga problema sa Pilipinas at yung mga problema ng pamilya. So by the way, maraming ang nakakasakit sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. And then may mga trangkaso. But you know, kahit hindi ka bumili ng mga gamot, you can also eat fruits like fruit na ganito. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga prutas na pwede nyong kainin kapag wala kayong mga pambili ng mga gamot. So yun lamang po. And then I want to share the verse in the, today I have a verse that I read this morning in John 10:9. It says in John 10:9, I am the pathway to a fulfilled life. In me you find your salvation. So magbasa po tayo ng Biblia lagi para makapagpalakas din sa ating katawang espiritual, at syempre katawang physical, alagaan din natin. So yun lamang po mga kababayan ko dyan. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. God bless us all.